A very good morning, dear children. Once again, I welcome you all to today's part second video from your grammar book. So, without wasting any time, let's start. So, as we know, an article is a word that is used before a noun. A, an, and the are articles. See the examples. I need a pen. I want an apple. I want the green apple. So here in these sentences we can see the articles a and the have been used before the nouns, referring to specific and non-specific things. As we know that articles are of two types, indefinite articles and definite articles. And as we know that a, an is used to non-specific or non-particular nouns, and we use the to refer to specific or particular nouns. That's why we call the definite article and a and the indefinite article. Let's do the quick recap and find out the use of a and. The article a is used before a noun that starts with a consonant sound. For example, a man, a lamb, a cat. And the article an is used before a noun that starts with a vowel sound. For example, an apple, an eraser, an umbrella. Now let's know about the definite article the. So we know the definite article is the word the, and it is used before a noun to specify it as something previously considered. And let's move and see when to use this article the. We use the after you have talked about it the first time. Means this is a dog, the dog is brown. When we first mention dog, we use the article a, and when it is specified in the second sentence, then we have used the article the dog is brown. And we also use the when the person you are talking to already knows what you are talking about. To see the examples, I am going to the bank. There is someone knocking at the door. It must be the computer repairman. Here in the first sentence, it's already specified that which bank I am talking about. So that's why the article has been used here before bank. And here in the second sentence, someone knocking at the door. It's already understood that we are talking about the entrance door. When we talk about the computer repairman, that means it is already known that the person knocking at the door must be the computer repairman. We use the definite article the when referring to something that is already known to the listener because it has been mentioned before. See the example. So I showed the photos to the police. As I have mentioned these photos before, that's why the photos. And also when referring to something that is already known to the listener because it is obvious from the context. See the example. I forgot to give the cat her supper. It is obvious I am talking about my cat, so that's why the cat. Here supper means a meal eaten in the late evening, means dinner. We use the definite article the when something is unique, including superlatives and the words like first, last, next, only. Okay, to see the example, she is the greatest sportswoman. So here in the superlative we have used the before greatest. If I say, can you open the window? Why the window? Because there is only one window. So that's why the window, because we are talking about the specific window because there is only one. Now if I say, can you open a window? Why a window? Because there are three windows and I want any one window to be open. So that's why I asked to open a window. That means to open any one out of the three windows. We can also use the definite article the in the following ways. I enjoyed participating in the volleyball competition. So the above sentence refers to a particular or specific competition, and when we talk about any particular or specific competition we use the before that. The second one, I enjoyed watching the show. Here also we can see the sentence refers to a particular or specific show. That's why the show. Children, I think now it's clear that the indefinite article tells us something which is non-specific. Means if I say thief, so a thief. This is any thief. Is not known to us, isn't it? So a thief. And when we talk about the definite article, means which tells us something which is specific, so we can say the thief. Why the thief? Because this is a specific thief, means the thief is known to us. Children, there are many nouns also before which we use the definite article the, like before the names of seas, rivers, oceans, before the names of countries that have the words like United Republic in them, or have plural names also. And we can use before the names of few important books, magazines and newspapers too, and also before the musical instruments we can use this the definite article the, like he plays the tabla. Okay, so it's very obvious to get such notes in minds, but the main difficulty we face when we refer to something that is already known to us and we are not actually knowing that what to use, indefinite article or definite article. So that's why this part 2 video was all about to make you all understand the correct use of the definite article the. Hope you all liked the video. See you all again in the next part. Till then, take care and thank you all for watching.